after receiving the money, you even failed to pay election agents that were at a polling station in the by-elections.
Well, they have to tell us which polling agents are those. Now, if they are polling agents in his constituency, why are they not paid when he had $50,000 with him? Why hasn't he paid the polling agents? Apart from that, which other polling agents is he talking about? Again, this is somebody who is just waffling, somebody who is just lying. I saw in his interview, he says that we have not been able to pay our workers, we have not been able to resource our departments, and so on. Again, that is not true, because our workers are there. They've not filed anything for unfair labor practice. Our workers were remunerated. Now, who is responsible for remunerating workers within the MDC? It is the Secretary General. It is not the chairman of Harare province at all. So he does not even sit in the Finance and Administration Committee. And he does not sit in the National Executive. After every 4 months, the National Executive receives an income and expenditure statement from the Secretary General. Now, I don't blame Mr. Medu because he doesn't sit in the National Executive and therefore will not be able to tell that these reports were given or not. And of course, we don't make those reports public. He is a very bitter man. Unfortunately, he thought he was, as he says, a special man, intelligent, more intelligent than every other person in the MDC. I wouldn't advise the younger leaders to think like that. We say true knowledge begins with the acknowledgement of ignorance.
Let me take this opportunity, Senator Mwonzora,
to have humility.
To say thank you so much for your time. We have come to the end of tonight's program, but let me say there are quite a number of issues that we would have spoken to, and I want to think that we will have another sit down where we are going to be dealing with other issues. Obviously, we wanted to look at what's the way forward from here, and we also wanted to look at issues and claims that makasirwa danga risina mombe dzakayenda, and for you to demystify that. But we have come to the end, and thank you so much for your time.
Danga rine mombe iroro dzakawanda kudarika dzakabva.
Regarding Senator Mwonzora for his time.